Hello everyone, welcome to Acrew Foundation. In this tutorial, we are going to start a new course and the name of the course is Website Designing. In this course, we are going to cover all the major topics, for example, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, AngularJS, React.js, Angular and many more. And upcoming videos also we are going to post coding related, networking, security, accounting, soft skills related courses. And if you have any thoughts and if you want to learn something, so please email us or you can ping us in our social media accounts. So today's agenda is the two questions like what is website designing and what is a web page. So let's start. So we have some questions are there like what is a website designing. So simply like if you are search in the any search engine and you are searching like ABC company, whenever you open that website of that company, you will find some images are there, some tables are there, some forms are there, some headings are there, paragraphs are there, some content will be there. So if you want to design those type of contents in the internet and you want everyone can access those information, everyone can see your information. So this is called the website, okay? And the simple definition I can say about the website is it is a combination of web pages. It is a combination of web pages. So now the questions come is what is a web page? So web page is nothing but the simply we can say it is a document. So whenever I'm saying like it is a document, web page is a document and website is a combination of web pages. So we have a type of documents. If you have a basic knowledge of computer, if you have done something, so if you have created some files in computer, so you have aware about these things like text documents, image documents, audio documents, video documents. So these are the type of documents are there. And whenever you create this type of document and whenever you want to create this type of document, we need some editor or you can say application or software, either in the mobile or desktop, anything. So every document contains editor and one more thing is called extensions. So whenever we save the file, contains some extension or you can say format also. For example, so we have a notepad and I have some information is there, and if I want to save this information, you can see it is showing me .txt and the type of the file is it is showing me text document. So every document contains some editors are there. So if I want to create a text file, so what type of editor or you can say application or software I required, I can create this text of document in Notepad also. I can use MS Word also, right? So these are the examples are there where we can create or we can write our text related document. Same thing comes for the image also. Like we have a Paint, we have Adobe, Photoshop, and many softwares are there. So with the help of those softwares, we can say application, we can say editor. So we can create the type of the document. Okay, and whenever we want to save this document, we need a particular extension or format. For example, .txt, okay, dot docs. So these are the examples are there whenever you want to save any particular text related document. Okay, same thing comes for the image. I can write PNG also, JPG also, JPEG also. So these are the type of extensions are there related to image. Okay, same thing for audio MP3, video is MP4. So when I'm saying like these are the documents are there and related to document, we need one editor, we need one application, we need one software. So we can create the type of document and every document contains some extension. So same thing come for the web page also. So we are saying like web page is a document. So document is nothing but combination of information, right? So it might be in a text also, image also, video also, audio also, because website contains all type of information, right? In this, a website contains image also, forms also, tables also, headings, paragraph, all these things will be there in a website, okay? And website is nothing but combination of web page, and web page is nothing but it is a document. In that document, we save the information, okay? So how we can create that document? To creating a document, we need one editor. So we can use Notepad also, Notepad plus plus also. So we have a thousand of editor, thousand of application, thousand of softwares are there. With the help of editor, or you can say software, we can create our web page. And whenever we want to save any particular related document, we need one extension and format. So if you want to save this web page, we need extension called .html. So with the help of this .html, we can save the file in a as a web page. Okay, we can save the file as a web page. So it will become our. So whenever the multiple documents will be there, so it will come as a website. Okay. So I hope the concept is clear for you. So if you have any doubt or questions, you can comment us or you can reach us an email also. So thank you everyone. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos and share our videos. Thank you everyone.